Do you want to make your face cam smaller or larger when recording your screen? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can adjust the size of the selfie video that appears during screen recording. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Screenshot and Screen Recording. Scroll down the screen. Under the screen recording section, find the selfie video size slider. Drag the slider to the left to make the selfie video smaller, or to the right to make it larger. As you move the slider, the preview thumbnail updates instantly so you can see how the facecam will look. For this example, let's move the slider to the right to create a larger facecam. This is useful when recording reaction videos, teaching with facial expression, or making your face easier to see. If you prefer the screen content to remain the main focus, move the slider to the left for a smaller facecam. The setting is saved automatically. From now on, whenever you enable selfie video while starting a screen recording, your facecam will appear at the size you selected. And that's how you change the selfie video size in screen recording on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.